guys, if you're just joining us, this is what we caught. So it was a very nice time out here fishing today, guys. Please go back and watch my latest live video. Hi, welcome to the Ghana Africa Bound channel. I'm Fatima, and you can watch me catch all of these fish on my latest live video fishing. I'm so cold. Okay. Okay, again, guys, if you want to see me catch this load of fish that I caught today, please visit my latest live fishing video, Fishing with Fatima live. So you will have a nice time watching me catch this little mess of fish. I'm going to clean these fish and bake them. So these are called bluegill, and I truly enjoy this type of fish, guys. If you haven't tried a bluegill, please try the fish. I think you will really like it. It's a very white, light texture fish. Has a very nice taste. It is a bony fish, so that's something you want to be aware of. They're called bluegill. Thank you again for joining the Ghana Africa Bound channel, guys. I really appreciate you all. Please do go over to my live video section and watch me catch these fish. And it's the latest video is fishing live, fishing with Fatima live. So yeah, definitely check it out. Appreciate you all. See you all next time. Shalom, shalom, when you come back to the Ghana Africa Bound channel.